and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got a few items here to share with you, a couple of diamond paintings and something that's a little bit different. I've got a few different things coming up in the next few videos, you know, as well as regular diamond paintings, but let's start with the diamond paintings this time, and then I'll show you full details of the different. Go for the thinner one. Start with the thinner one. I'm not sure what it is. It may just be that the diamonds are packaged different and that's what makes it feel different, but oh no, it's a special diamond painting, this one. I do like a good special drill diamond painting every now and then. So this one is a 30 by 30, or it's down as a 30 by 30. The actual sort of design area is less, and this one is 24 by 24 for this one. We've got a little bee, I'd say. I don't know if the colours are going to come out as a bee, but we'll definitely have a look at those. You get a toolkit. For this one you get pen, wax, boat and a set of plastic tweezers, which can sometimes be handy with these diamonds, with these bigger ones. But to have a quick look at the diamonds that you get, oh, so we've got quite a few black that are AB. Can you see that? That's going to be pretty. There's a lot of those. Looks like that's all the outline. Looks like, I think it's a B. I don't know. Then we've got some plain black. We've got some yellow. But then we also have some blue and some orange. Very nice. See if I can get those to go back in. And then we have got some loose bags as well. Just a couple of different shaped diamonds for this one. So we've got some clear circles that are a little bit bigger. A little bit of a shine on those. And then we just have two blue ones. Oh, and they're with the eyes. So colours can be a bit deceiving because the symbol for the eyes is pink. And of course the diamonds are blue. It is a partial. So all this background design you don't do. You basically just do what I'm thinking is a B. Time will tell if it's a B, but that's a nice little evening project. See if I can find somewhere to put that. My craft room is looking a bit diabolical at the moment. Okay, painting number 2, my camera will focus. Doesn't like it when I leave nothing for it to focus on. Too much white. It screams at me. So let's get a diamond painting out. See if it can focus on something else. Oh, so this is another mystery painting. I did pick another mystery painting in a 30 by 40 to see how this compared. The 30 by 30 I was a little bit disappointed in. Because I know they can do images that are a lot nicer. I've had plenty of 30 by 30 images that have turned out fantastic. So I was a little bit disappointed that the mystery one doesn't, or didn't. My one didn't anyway. The actual size of this though is nearer 34 centimetres by 24. So it's quite a bit smaller, but I don't know, maybe an ocean or a road of some sort with some scenery maybe. I don't know, it's very hard to tell. It has 24 colours, which is quite nice. We do get a toolkit, basic toolkit, boatworks pen. Let's have a look at the colours. Maybe that can or can't help. Oh, they're in baggies. Oh, so we do have quite a bit of orange and red and purple, so maybe not the sort of beachy scene that I was thinking of. Yeah, definitely all got some reds and some dark purples. We've got some black. It does have DMC numbers on it, So R is 3, oh, so a lot of it up here, around here, and going up here is actually black. So, does make me wonder what that one could be. Maybe we have a sunset in it, maybe we don't. I'm not sure. That's part of the mystery. So I am quite excited to do this one and see how it compares to the other one that I had. It could even be that the orientation's that way and I'm looking at it completely wrong. Who knows? Time will tell. Does come with a sort of inventory sheet just telling you how many of each diamond, but the weight makes no difference to me. As long as there is 24 bags in here, then I class it as having all the diamonds because that's what I need, 24 colours. Stay tuned to find out what that one looks like. And then, if my camera's not had a little paddy while I had nothing there, this is sort of a new item. Now the box is a bit bashed, but I do have quite a few bits in this parcel that came to me that weren't diamond paintings, in the fact that they don't just come in these soft bags. So I think that's sort of what had an effect, but I don't think there's any damage to it. So let's check whether the packaging has done what it's supposed to do. Let's just rip it and get this out. Okay, the packaging has done what it's supposed to do because this is actually tin. Can you hear that sort of metal? Has got a little bit of a dint there, but it should not count. Oh, it has cracked the back. So hopefully that will still work when it's put together. I will of course report back. But this is a metal clock. And they've got a few different ones of these, which I thought were a little bit interesting. So that has just pushed back, so it may well be that once I've got a battery in, that works fine. It's got a hook space in the back here, but you do also get string attached, so that you can hook it on just a sticking out nail, if that's what you want. And then we get some big hands, so a second hand and a main hand. We also get a pen, a couple of baggies. You do get the little pin to pop in the hole and get them all together. That is there. And we've got wax. And then we have lots of diamonds. We don't get tweezers with this one, but there is quite a few different shapes of diamonds, which is quite nice. So in your standard, we have silver and blue and gold. The gold is the standard size, but then all the rest start changing. So we have some bigger blue, we have some pearl in white that's quite big, some little hearts in silver, some little purple teardrops, and then a couple of different blue ones. Then we have some turquoise. And there's more. We have some little circles in gold. We have some that's in a bit more of a coppery type pale gold. And then we have some in silver, but with a very iridescent finish. Very iridescent finish on those, so that should give some good sparkle. I'll fight with those diamonds later. So I will pop links to all of these below. There is a few different types of these clocks that are available, but I quite like the fact that it was something that was done on tin. There is a few other things that they've had on tin as well, but I like to mix it up every now and then. So we've got a clock, we've got our mystery painting, but I'm not sure what it is, and then we have a special diamond painting that I think's a bee. I don't think the wings are big enough to be a dragonfly. But again, we'll see what all these turn out like. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.